Oh my God.
Did a full 180.
I'll be damned.
I never knew you were the...
Hold up. These things can talk?
For real?
When I was a kid, I feel like you heard the term.
If you want to know more analytics, keep watching. After Sora, Pika Labs released its lip sync feature in AI video generation, and Alibaba also announced their EMO audio to video model, which can make portrait alive. Every company is trying to develop something different and go beyond Sora.
Oh my God.
I'll be damned.
From Pika's demo video, we can see the character's lips are matching the voice. That makes the AI video more in line with the real short film. After all, dialogue between people is essential for a film. To create the lip sync effect is also easy. On Pika's website, which can be found in the description, here is a lip sync button. You can type in the text and generate audio for your video, or upload your own audio, and then Pika will generate a lip sync video. By the way, it's a pro feature. Personally, I think the good thing about it is you can actually have the character talking with some camera movements. However, in some cases, the lip sync is not always perfect. You might need to try more times to get a better output, and due to the restrictions of AI videos, it's not looking very natural when the characters speak. People can still tell that it's AI. Now let's look at EMO.
Yes. One. And in this
We can
lab,
see the lip sync effects and facial expressions are really natural and awesome. It also supports various styles like talking, singing, different languages and art styles. Currently it only showcases some demo videos on its blog. You can find the link in the description. It's an open source program and we might be able to use it very soon on Comfy UI or somewhere. The way to generate the effect is by uploading a reference image and a piece of audio like speech, song, rap, etc. The final length of the video depends on the length of the input audio. From my perspective of view, EMO performs more natural than Pika, but EMO doesn't seem to be able to have any camera motion. So what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment. Besides that, there are also more cool AI tools which I'd covered in my previous videos, such as AI Photo Enhancer, AI Video Enhancer or AI Voice Changer. I'll leave the access link in the description as well. Don't forget to check them out if you are interested. Alright, that's the share for today. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel for latest AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching.